guys, welcome again to my channel. If you're new here, I'm so glad to have you here. Thanks for stopping by. And if you're a subscriber, thank you for joining the club. I hope you enjoyed this channel. So in this video, I'm preparing okra soup. The last video I did, I showed how I cut my okra in different ways. So you may want to check it out. I'll be linking that to this video as well. So this is chicken, some smoked cow head, and then yeah, that's it. With onions I've just added and salt. We're preparing a delicious okra soup, so you want to stay tuned and watch till the end, and then share your comments with me so I can get feedback whether you like the video, and then share more videos. This is yellow pepper. I've just added yellow pepper that I pounded. If you've not been using yellow pepper, please start today and use it for your soups. You will love it. I also added 2 cubes of seasoning cubes. Pardon my English. Okay, I'm stirring now very well to make sure that all the ingredients get to every corner of the pot and of the meat. Yes, like I said in my previous video, you do not have to use all this bobo to prepare your okra soup. Okra soup is a very easy soup to make, and you don't have to spend a lot of money. This is what I felt like doing, and that's why I'm doing this. But you can go very plain and simple on okra soup. Really, you can use okra, boiled okra with salt and pepper, and then eat with your stew, or use some smoked fish to prepare your okra soup. Only fresh fish. You don't need to use all this bobo. Really, trust me, you can. You don't have to. So if you're trying to cut costs, or you're trying to be on a budget, or you find yourself broke, it happens to us everyone. You know, we all get broke once in a while. You want to try okra soup without all these complicated things. But this complicated one, I enjoyed it, and you would if you try it out too. So keep watching. I added some more water because I need to continue with the cooking, right? And then in goes stockfish, some smoked fish, and then dry fish. If you don't want your smoked fish to scatter inside your soup, you want to keep it at bay and add it when you are almost done. But personally, for this particular recipe, I wanted to put everything there so that everything can be mashed together and combined to release another level of aroma and taste to the meal. That's why I did what I did, and I'm stirring now very well again to make sure that all the ingredients get to the right places. I'm going to let this sit for about 5 minutes to allow the stockfish and dry fish, everything to cook together. I've just added crayfish, about 2 teaspoons of crayfish. You can add more, it's a matter of choice, but watch out for salt when you're adding more crayfish, because crayfish contains salt already. Then palm oil. Yes, palm oil is also according to your taste. Palm oil adds great flavor to your meal, but if you're watching your weight, or you're trying to be conscious of some stuff, you may want to be careful with that too. Palm oil also has some health benefits too. So stirring, ensuring that ingredients get all the parts of the pot and to the right places. And then, very simple, okra goes in. This is the okra I cut in the last video that I made, and this has a combination of the 3 various ways that I cut my okra soup. So it's going to be a combination of different sizes and shapes of it's a combination of different sizes and shapes of okra. If you look very well, you will see that. But really, it doesn't matter. At the end of the day, what matters is the taste, and the food is yummy and delicious. When you're cooking, you want to be careful adding water, so you don't want to overflood your okra soup. Except, of course, that is how you prefer it. If you don't like it that way, you just want to be careful adding water a little at a time. Like I said again in my other video, you don't have to let this cook for a long time because it will become too tender. And if you have to eat it the second day, you will not be exciting at all. So if you're going to eat this again after, if you're going to store this, you just want, after cooking, you just want to bring it down, transfer to something that doesn't have heat so that the cooking process stops. If not, it will keep cooking and to get softer. Vegetables are not supposed to be eaten while they are overcooked or dead, because when you overcook it, you've already killed it. They're supposed to be eaten fresh or sauteed, just light, when they are steamed just a little bit. Yes, testing for salt according to taste, and then we are good to go. And then that is the end of the okra soup story. This is a yummy soup, and you want to share and partake in this recipe. Do you like this video? Do you like what I have been sharing? Do you like my channel? Please let me see what you think in the comment section below. If you like what you see, please subscribe, drop your comments below, give me a thumbs up, and share with your friends. Until I make another lovely video, see you.